Have you ever wondered if your fitness routine is really getting you the results you want? Let's take a moment to explore the significance of fitness in our lives. The term fitness is often associated with chiseled abs and toned muscles, but it's so much more than that. Fitness is about improving your overall health, boosting your immune system, and enhancing the quality of your life. Regular physical activity is a vital part of leading a healthy lifestyle. It strengthens your heart, improves circulation, and can even help with weight management. Not only does it keep your body in check, but it also does wonders for your mind. It's a natural mood lifter, reduces stress, and can even help combat depression and anxiety. But what happens when we lead a sedentary lifestyle? The dangers are more significant than you might think. Lack of physical activity can lead to obesity, heart disease, and an overall decrease in health. It can leave you feeling sluggish, unmotivated, and can even contribute to mental health issues. The World Health Organization recommends at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity physical activity per week. That might sound like a lot, but it's really just about finding ways to move more throughout the day. It could be as simple as taking the stairs instead of the elevator, going for a walk during your lunch break, or even dancing around the house while you do your chores. And remember, it's not about how much you can lift or how fast you can run. It's about being consistent and making a commitment to your health. It's about creating a lifestyle that values movement and recognizes the importance of taking care of your body. So, fitness is not just about looking good. It's about feeling good and living a healthy, fulfilling life. Now let's dive into some interesting facts about fitness that might surprise you. First up, let's talk about a type of workout that's been gaining popularity: high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. It's a form of cardio that alternates between bursts of intense activity and periods of less intense recovery. The fascinating thing about HIIT is that even though the workouts are often short, they can burn a lot of calories. In fact, studies have shown that you can burn more calories during a 20-minute HIIT session than during a steady-paced hour-long run. Amazing, right? Moving on, let's discuss the role of sleep in muscle recovery. It's not just about getting a good night's sleep after a hard workout. Your body does most of its repairing and rebuilding while you're asleep. When you're in deep sleep, your body releases growth hormones that help repair and build muscles. So if you're skimping on sleep, you're not giving your muscles the optimal chance to recover and grow. Next, we talk about hydration. We all know it's important to stay hydrated, especially when working out. But did you know that even a slight amount of dehydration can significantly affect your workout performance? That's because water helps cool down your body, lubricates your joints, and aids in muscle contraction. So, if you're not adequately hydrated, you might feel more fatigued during your workout, and your performance might suffer. Finally, let's touch on the concept of muscle confusion. This theory suggests that constantly changing your workouts can prevent your muscles from adapting to the same routine, leading to more significant gains. However, while variety in training is beneficial, it's consistency and progressive overload, gradually increasing the amount of stress on your muscles over time, that truly drive muscle growth and strength. These facts show that fitness is a complex process that involves more than just lifting weights or running on a treadmill. It's a holistic approach that includes proper nutrition, adequate sleep, and consistent, well-rounded training. Remember, every step you take towards fitness is a step towards better health and well-being. But what if you don't have access to a gym, or you're just bored with your usual routine? Welcome to the world of alternative workouts, a universe teeming with options that can add a fresh twist to your fitness journey. Let's start with home workouts. If you're craving convenience, look no further. With just your body weight and a few feet of space, you can perform a plethora of exercises: push-ups, squats, lunges, jumping jacks, planks, the list goes on. You can even incorporate household items for added resistance. Think water bottles, heavy books, or even your pet. The beauty of home workouts is the flexibility they offer. You can tailor them to your schedule, your fitness level, and your goals. Next on the list, outdoor activities. These are not just fun, but they also offer a refreshing change of scenery. Running, cycling, swimming, hiking, or playing a sport, the possibilities are endless. Each of these activities engages different muscle groups, offering a balanced, full-body workout. Plus, the great outdoors provides a natural mood booster. Who doesn't feel better after soaking up a bit of sunshine and fresh air? Lastly, let's talk about fitness apps. In this digital age, fitness is literally at your fingertips. There are countless apps available that offer workout routines, guided exercises, and even personalized training plans. Whether you're a beginner looking for guidance or a seasoned fitness enthusiast seeking a new challenge, there's an app for that. The benefits of these alternative methods are manifold. They offer variety, keeping your workouts interesting and preventing burnout. They are accessible, allowing you to stay active regardless of your location or circumstances. And perhaps most importantly, they empower you to take control of your fitness journey, to experiment, to discover what works best for you. As you can see, there's no shortage of ways to stay fit and active without setting foot in a gym. So why not give these alternative workouts a try? You might just find your new favorite way to break a sweat. While we're on the subject of fitness, let's debunk some common fitness myths. There's a lot of misinformation floating around out there, and it can be tough to separate fact from fiction. First off, let's talk about cardio. A lot of people believe that cardio is the only way to lose weight. While it's true that cardio can help you burn calories, it's not the only method. Strength training is also an effective way to shed pounds. When you build lean muscle, your body burns more calories even at rest, so don't shy away from those weights. Speaking of weights, there's a myth that lifting will make you bulky. This is a common misconception, especially among women. The truth is, weightlifting can help you develop a lean and toned physique. It's incredibly difficult to bulk up without a very specific training and diet plan, so unless you're planning to compete in a bodybuilding competition, you don't need to worry about becoming too muscular. Another myth we often hear is that you must work out every single day to see results. This is not only false, but it can also be counterproductive. Your body needs time to recover and rebuild muscles after a workout. So don't feel guilty about taking a rest day. It's a vital part of your fitness journey. Lastly, the myth that no pain, no gain. Pain is your body's way of telling you something's not right. While you should feel a burn during a good workout, sharp or persistent pain is a sign that you may be overdoing it or using improper form. So, listen to your body and don't push yourself to the point of injury. In conclusion, it's essential to question the fitness myths that have become embedded in our culture. Don't be swayed by misinformation. Do your research, listen to your body, and consult with fitness professionals if you're unsure. Remember, the best fitness routine is the one that you enjoy and can stick with in the long run. So, let's recap what we've learned today. We started off with a discussion on the importance of fitness. We delved into how regular exercise is not just about maintaining a svelte figure or bulging muscles, it goes beyond the physical. Fitness plays a crucial role in our mental health, boosting our mood and improving our sleep. It reduces the risk of chronic diseases and enhances our overall quality of life. Then we moved on to some fascinating facts about fitness. We discovered that our bodies can adapt to our fitness routines over time, leading to more efficient workouts. We learned that muscles don't turn into fat when we stop working out, a common misconception. We also found out that our heart rate can be a good indicator of our fitness level. Next, we explored alternative workouts. We learned that you don't have to be a gym member to stay fit. There are numerous ways to exercise without stepping foot in a gym. From bodyweight exercises like push-ups and squats to outdoor activities like hiking and biking. Even household chores like gardening or cleaning can get your heart rate up. Then we debunked some fitness myths. We clarified that you don't have to work out for hours to see results. Even short, intense workouts can be effective. We dispelled the myth that lifting weights will make women bulky. And we affirmed that no single diet or workout plan is a one-size-fits-all solution. Everyone's body is different and will respond differently to exercise and diet. And that brings us to the end of our journey today. The key takeaway is that fitness is a personal journey, and it's all about finding what works for you. It's not about conforming to societal standards or following fad diets. It's about discovering what makes you feel good, both physically and mentally. Keep these points in mind as you continue your fitness journey. And remember, the most important thing is to find a routine that works for you and makes you feel good.